Hello everyone! Lately, phones with under-screen cameras have been coming out. Previously to this, the ST Exxon 20 5G it was the first cell phone to use this innovation. The way for create this technology was by incorporate a few pixels on the part of the camera, which allows the light pass across the display. This first Exxon was launched in early September 2020 with the Snapdragon 765G 5G and a 1080 screen of 90Hz. However, the first color was very bad due the pixels were above the camera lens, causing the obstruction of the light to reach it. For improve the photos, these phones use the help of artificial intelligence, which automatically establish the contrast, warmth, and other photography parameters. Being a bit more realistic, a cheaper phone takes the same or better photos than this one. There are some reviews talking about these problems, finding in almost all how bad is the front camera and problems with the artificial lights. Later, they were launching a new generation of smartphones such as the Exxon 30 5G with a few new features but the same photo quality. Other examples are Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 5G, Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, Oppo's camera under screen, Vivo Apex, and others. In conclusion, these kind of cameras are aesthetically great, but with huge limitations. We would recommend a phone without this camera under screen because of all the cons mentioned before. Anyway, this technology is very new and it needs more time to be usable.